Hello YouTube and welcome to another tutorial. So I'll be showing you the underwater sound on audio effects. Really easy to do actually. I had a request from someone. I'm not going to say any names because I don't want to. Yeah, so this is what I'll be showing you. So as you can see, it goes into normal, into like underwater sort of sound, and then back into normal. So I'm just gonna start again, show you what you have to do. So start new. Just import your clip, like your song. Which one am I gonna use? I'm gonna use that one. No, I'm gonna use that one. Good song. So just wait for that to load, drag that into your timeline. I'm just going to delete the video. Wait for it to build the peaks. Right, so let's listen to it out. So as you can see, you've just got the song. So wherever you want to be underwater, you want to split it, and then split it where you want it to stop. I'm just going to zoom in about to make it easier. And then you want to right click on it and go apply non-real-time event FX, and go on express FX equalization, add OK, and you get up with this. I've got a preset. So you can just copy them down, make your own settings, just play about with it. It's up to you. So if I play this back, you'll see that it's sort of done that. Yeah, so as you can see, it's sort of gone underwater. That's not really a very good example actually, because there's not that much of a beat. But it looks quite good if you've watched it on this. This is just one I edited last night in about 20 minutes. So you can just see there. So like you can see, that's sort of distorted. Yeah. I'm just going to use my presets. I think that might be the problem with it. So, underwater. Yeah, you need to just copy them settings down. Doesn't matter. Find that out. I think this might be better this time. Yeah, it's a little bit better. But it looks good on like a bigger beat. So, yeah, this has been the Jimlanger. Hope you enjoy the video. Remember to comment, rate, subscribe.